Online will be the largest single channel through which customers get groceries to their home. I think COVID is the catalyst that is accelerating a structural change that would have taken place over a large number of years and is going to condense it and cause it to massively accelerate. So not just a single step change, but then an acceleration coming out of that. Because what of course happens as channel shift occurs in a space like retail where the shops have significant fixed costs from the bricks and mortar, is that as channel shift increases and market share to online increases, the profitability of some of the stores starts to get challenged quite quickly. And so that acceleration just keeps going. And then what you saw in things like books and electronics and stuff like that is as online takes market share and it challenges the economics in bricks and mortar, the bricks and mortar retailers have to work out how to lower their costs. Online's going to become the mainstream. So online is going to be the equivalent today of the hypermarket. We've spoken for 10 years about convenience as a growing sector. It is a growing sector and it's outperformed hypermarkets in growth for the last 10 years, but it's still nowhere near the size of the hypermarkets, and that's because they are the place that you get the largest ranges at the cheapest prices. I think that the mainstream online will replace that and be the largest single channel through which customers get groceries to their home. People's awareness of viruses and transmission, it's how safe it is for a customer to be sat at home, digitally doing their ordering and then have the goods turn up on their doorstep. We will all live our lives accepting different levels of risk. You can see the massive decline in public transport, you can see the massive decline in commercial air travel. This is people deciding not to take risk for things that they're not wild about or they've got an alternative means of doing. And grocery shopping online for a tiny premium is going to clearly be the way to do this in the future.